sat nav. Down here, rotary control, navigation. There you go. Sat nav's come up, and you've got this menu on the left-hand side there. If I click over there you go. Turn it down. Spoken instructions. The first one is guidance, routes, points of interest, traffic information, interactive map, map views, additional information. So we want guidance. Click guidance. Now that's got start guidance or enter new destination. We want a new destination. Enter new destination. Here we go. Destination input. Click again. We'll go down to the postcode. Click on the postcode. And now we've got this rotary selector. So I want P, R. Now we want numbers. Numbers are down here. So we turn the rotary control down to the numbers. It says further characters. Click on further characters. Now we've got the numbers up. 5, 4. It's defaulted back to letters. E, A. OK. You've got OK. Click in the center. And now we just go down to start guidance. Click start guidance.
Prepare to turn right.
That's it. We're on the forecourt. I've confused it a little bit. To stop guidance, we go back to guidance, click on guidance, and then it comes up stop guidance. Easy enough to do.